Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. In this video I'm going to look at my Ethereum calculator, Ethereum staking calculator. I did see that there was an error in the calculator which I've rectified now, so it should be fine. So if you have watched any of the previous videos, you may have seen that after a certain amount it kind of jumps up quite high. That's because the formulas wasn't correct. Okay, so I've rectified that now, so it should be fine. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. So this is the amount of Ethereum I have staked, 6.0856. This goes up every single day. This is the APR I'm getting, 5% APR. And this is very good. Okay, I'm staking on Ethereum 2.0, and I'm earning around 5% APR, and this every single day. Okay, so my aim has always been, in everything I get into, to make $1 million. Okay, so if I get in Bitcoin, to make $1 million, to get in Ethereum, make $1 million, to get in Cardano, make $1 million. Everything is that 7-figure. Okay, so if I go to my calculator here, and I believe 45% annual increase of Ethereum, the price is conservative. So the price being 2874 right now, I do believe that the price will be going up approximately 45% every year. That's just what I think. So 2872, let's change it. 2872. Okay, and 6.08, let's leave it that. 5% APR and 45% increase. So year 0 I have 17,461. Remember, it all goes up and down depending on the price of Ethereum. By the first year we have 6.38 Ethereum. By the second year, 6.7. Third year, 7.04. Fourth year, 7.39. So we will, this $17,461 investment in the 5th year will reach over $108,000. So 5-year plan, over $108,000. Not too shabby, if I may say so myself. In 10 years, so we're saying in a decade from here, in the 10th year, 2031, I'll have around 9.90 Ethereum, and that will be worth around $430,321. I will reach the $1 million mark around year 14. Around year 14, if the price of Ethereum keeps on going up, and I keep my my Ethereum in Lido for the next 13 years, 14 years I mean. So my aim really is to multiply my Ethereum to get to this $1 million mark quicker than 14 years. Quicker than 14 years. So if I add 0.5 Ethereum a year out of my own pocket, a year, it will go down to around 1 million in 12 years. It's knocked off about 2 years. Let's say if I put in around 1 Ethereum a year, and 1 Ethereum, by the way, is gonna obviously go up. So it's not gonna always be one price like today's price. It's gonna go up. So 1 Ethereum today is not going to be the same as 1 Ethereum in 2 years or 3 years or 10 years time. But if I could afford to put 1 Ethereum a year into this, I will reach 1 million at around the year 11 mark, or year 10 or 11 mark. And that's really what I would like, is for the decade mark to be $1 million. So this is more realistic to me. So my plan is to get to see how I can make 1 Ethereum a year or 1.5 Ethereum a year added to my staked Ethereum. So let's look. So 1.5 Ethereum a year will hit the million mark at around year 9, about the middle of year 9, 2030, and that will be before the 10th year. So this looks a bit more realistic. So putting in 1.5 Ethereum a year is very, very good indeed. So how am I going to be able to do this? How am I going to be able to make a considerable amount of money every year so that I can reach this 1 million mark much quicker than the 10-year mark here? Yeah. Now this is just with one investment, because you know I could have made $1 million in other investments, but I'm just talking about just this 6.08. Okay, making $1 million just from this. 1.5 Ethereum added a year. The way to add certain amounts of money, more money to your stake, is by earning it. If you're not earning it from your day job or your online business, you're not going to be able to add any money to your stake. Okay, if you want your stake to stay the same, that's fine. You'll have to wait, and if I take this off, approximately 15 years, 14 years before you reach the close to $1 million mark. Okay, 14 years. But we want to make this as short as possible. So like I said, 1 to 2 Ethereum added every year and you are golden. Okay, 1 to 2 Ethereum added every year. 1 to 2 Ethereum, 8 years, 9 years, 8 to 9 years. If I put 2 Ethereum a year out of my own pocket into my staking. Okay, so get your own business. Check out my 7-figure Rolodex. Get your This Automated System business. Start earning in Bitcoin. When you earn in Bitcoin, you can then sell some of that Bitcoin into Ethereum or swap it into Ethereum, and you can put that Ethereum into your staked Ethereum. You can stake it. Yeah, it's all about having a business. It's all about building a business. Okay, if you build a business, you're going to make money every month, every year. You're going to make enough money every year to put into your staking. In fact, you're going to make a lot of money. So that money you make and you put it into the staking, you're going to probably be able to meet that 1 million mark much sooner than 9 years. But it all depends on how you build your businesses. On my 7-figure Rolodex, I provide many different tools and picks and shovels that you can use in the world of crypto. You can get Crypto for Beginners training. You can get your Bitcoin business and start running it and sharing your links with people so that you can start making sales. The same with this one here. You can join this business and start making sales. You can scroll down. You can join Lido here, the same as me, and start staking your Ethereum like me. Okay. You can go here and you can start staking your Cardano and start earning a yield here as well. You can do the same with Celsius. Okay, you can do the same with Celsius Network and start earning a yield from there. Many different ways you can start earning yield, earning interest on your crypto. Okay, and when you start earning that interest on your crypto, you can easily take a portion of it and put it and sell it or swap it into Ethereum and put it into your staked pool. Yeah, because this will help you to reach your goals quicker than 10 years, 11 years, 12 years. We want to increase this Ethereum stake to the point where you can live off of the interest. Okay, to the point where you can live off of the interest. So you got to ask yourself, what would you want to live off of? Okay, so let's look at the rewards calculator on the actual Lido Finance website, and I know that most people would like to live off of, say, maybe 2 to 5k a month. They'll be able to at least live without having to go to a day job. So if I put in the amount that will amount to, say, around let's see, yeah, so about 200 ETH amounts to about $2,444 a month, and that means you need around $500,000 to make a comfortable earning every month, so you don't have to go to your day job. So you need to have $586,604, okay, staked right now in your Ethereum in order to make 2,444. No, not many people have this, so they're not going to be able to have this. So what you need to do is start somewhere, and that's why we say build a business, get yourself a business like this one, or like this Powerly system, and start to build the business. Start building your business so that you can start to make enough money to put into your stake. Some people might only have enough for 5 Ethereum or 3 Ethereum. You know, with 3 Ethereum, you're making about $36.66 a month, which is still good to begin with. Some people might only have 1 Ethereum, and that will make you $12.22 a month. Some people may only have 0.5, half an Ethereum, which makes them $6.11. In some countries, you can actually live off of staking just 6 Ethereum. Some countries in the world. So the amount that I've actually got staked, which is 6.08, okay, some people can actually live off of that every month. You know, so it really depends on where you are in the world. The reason why I do these videos is to show you that everybody's goal is going to be different. Okay, everybody's goal is going to be different. Some people may be shooting for different goals. Okay, they may not care about getting to 1 million. They may just want to get to 500,000. Some people may just want to get to 100,000. Some people may just want to get to 50,000. It really depends on the individual. But I do think that you should get yourself a business. You can get this business for $97, and you can start to share it with others and start earning instant Bitcoin commissions, and you can then take that money and put it into anything you want. Because I do. I put it into Celsius, I put it into Cardano, put it into PancakeSwap, you know, I put it into Lido, and I earn the commission, I earn the interest, you know. So if you're somebody that wants to do something like I'm doing it, then follow what I'm doing. Get a business, start earning, and when you earn, put a portion of what you earn into your wallet to stake and start earning interest. That's just really what it is. It's really as simple as that. You know, I'm not telling you that to go and break the bank. Only put in what you can afford to put in, okay, and build your crypto wealth. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this has been informative. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.